Hi, this is Roger from Microair, and today I'm going to discuss a couple replacement boards that we have for Cruisair systems. First one we're going to discuss is an A-281C. This replaces older boards in Cruisair systems, such as the SMX and the programmable logic boards that were sold back around in the mid-90s. These boards came in two different configurations. They came with 6-pin jacks in the later years, or with 4-pin jacks in the early years. This particular board has both jacks installed on it, so you can use them for either application. To identify the boards, you'll see that it has an identifier up here. Now, almost all of them had this identifier, along with a big long row of these spade-type connectors for connecting all your AC components to it. Now, the board itself is going to look a little bit different. You're going to see these smaller componentry. A lot of the older boards had these big transformers on them and much bigger circuitry on it. And that kind of identifies it between that and some of the newer stuff that we built, because technology has changed since the original boards were made. Now, these boards are direct drop-in replacements, and the original order numbers for those would have been 42403 for the earlier, and then 701-80007 is the part numbers for the later models of these boards if you were looking in manuals or trying to find the part number for this particular board. These are dual voltage boards. They operate on both 110 and 220. They're exactly the same as the original board. The board is going to mount in the same 4 screw holes as the original board, and you just drop it in and replace all the connections exactly where the originals are when you replace it.